Top Indian stocks having monopoly in their industry. So number 1 comes IRCTC. IRCTC is a state-owned entity and the only player in the Indian markets that operate in the railway industry. This makes it a monopoly as consumers have no other alternative. Number 2 is ITC. ITC has a wide range of products and brands but has a major monopoly in Indian cigarette industry by holding 77% contribution. Third company is Marico. Marico is one of the well-known FMCG companies in India, but the majority of its success lies in its two brands Saffola and Parachute. Saffola, which competes in the premium refined oil segment, has maintained its market leadership with a share of 73%. Parachute, on the other hand, holds a market share of 59%. Pidilite. Pidilite's product range includes adhesives and sealants, Fevicol and M-Seal, construction and paint chemicals like Dr. Fixit, automobile chemicals, industrial adhesives, and industrial and textile resins. It is the leader in the adhesive and industrial chemical market with a market share of about 70%. These were few market leader stocks which I think should be in everyone's portfolio. Thank you for watching.